Okay, first memory, year 3, I went to a Shakespeare sort of like day out thing. Don't really remember where or even why. I can't remember learning about the Tudors or anything, but we went to a Shakespeare thing and I got picked out as Henry VIII. And I remember it being so vivid in my mind. So maybe it was too vivid. Maybe it might have been too vivid. I think it might have been a dream. But regardless, it was fun. It was fun, and I remember it like truly embodying the Henry VIII character. I remember I might have gone a little bit too far, but it was fun. All I know, it was fun. I think that's my earliest memory of actually acting or being a character or something along those lines. So in my family, technically no one's actually out there. My brother used to like it, and I watched him enjoy theatre, and I was like, I wonder what that thing he's doing is. So I sort of followed suit. I think he's kind of stopped now. I don't actually know what his plans are, what's going on. But I remember watching him and being in awe, like, that looks fun. I didn't know what the name was though. I don't know if it was drama. I didn't know what. I remember when I got to year 7, I was like, it's drama. That's what it is. No, it's cool. So at school, because I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what I enjoyed, the name of it anyway. But wait, if I remember correctly, year 6 there was a lot of year 5. It was year 5. I did a Alice in Wonderland thing at the nearby secondary school. They asked for some students to come in and play some of. All I remember is I was in a tutu. I was in a tutu, and it was. I can't remember a lot of what was actually going on, but I just remember it being very, very colourful. The entire space and everything that was going on was colourful. I loved it. I think drama was the only like lesson where I truly listened. I truly when you're in a session and like you constantly watch clock, like you're constantly like, okay, I got like 20 minutes. Give me 5 more. Okay, cool, I'm nearly there. I never did that with drama. Probably because there wasn't a clock, but the point is, I just didn't watch it. I was constantly involved. Yeah, I did I did The Wizard of Oz. Was my first official secondary school sort of thing, and I remember in my audition I said I do not want to sing. I will not sing. I was very adamant. I was like, no, this ain't happening whatsoever. I got the part of the Scarecrow and I was like, what? Yes, I'm the Scarecrow. Turns out he was singing. Like, that guy was, and I did the singing. GCSE Drama, so that was also when I picked a bunch of other subjects that I thought I enjoyed, and like when it come to it, it turned out, it was drama that I had a genuine passion for, and it wasn't anything so sort of like geography. Like I enjoyed drama for the purpose of drama. I didn't do geography because I did geography because my friends were there. Like I don't really care for what the geography. Like I don't really care about tectonic plates. Like that's sort of. But no, drama. Yeah, I remember it being the only subject where I thrived in. I remember finishing year 11 and then going, I'm going to stay at the school and do the sixth form. I did my sixth form at the same school, and I still carried on with the performing arts course. It was the BTEC level 3 course at that time, and I still loved it, and I still knew this is what it was, but I didn't see a sort of a hereafter, if you could call it that. Yeah, I knew that was it then. Like I knew that acting and performing arts, drama, it was it. So usually, a lot of sort of, I'm going to talk specifically about Somali households. Now Somali households, they have a very interesting take on acting and drama and performance art. My family, I'm quite lucky in that my father he did sociology. My father did sociology, and he's a very I call him an owl. He's very wise in the way he thinks and the way he moves, and I was lucky enough to be able to say it like, Dad, Mum, this is what I want to do. Like this is where I want to go, and he was understanding. He was like, cool, like let's do it, go for it, let's happen. And I was like, yeah, all right. They did. We were lucky enough to go to a sort of fair that had a host of sort of universities and different places and they had stand up, like not stand up, sort of like, what's it, propped up, like science. I don't know. There was just a bunch of universities. There was just a bunch of universities offering their different sort of courses and what they had. And I remember walking through and seeing Plymouth, the University of Marjon, University of Plymouth Marjon, and I saw the acting, and I literally just went, like, what do you guys have? Like, what's the deal with it? And they spoke about the course and what it had and what it entailed. And what really hooked me about the course that they were offering at the time, was the tours. So we went on 3 different tours, a regional tour, an international tour, and a national tour. And I was like, that sounds sick. Like, that sounds like something I want to be doing. So yeah, took it, did it, finished it. Highlight, wow. There was a lot of stuff. I think it was a learning curve, a massive learning curve for me. But the highlight? Wow, that's a good question. The highlight would definitely be me going to Greece as my international tour. That really set the standard of what I want to do. Like, no, just going, oh, okay, I live in the UK, I rehearse here, I work my bits here, then I take what I've created here out there to people whose first language isn't English, and who they have to just sort of not work with, but sort of follow through, come with me on this journey, and like see what I've created for you to see and to understand. And it was really nice. We worked with a lot of the university students up there in Greece, and we saw some of their work, and we had some workshops together, and it was insightful. It was really insightful. If you find fun in anything, do it.